the culmination program of oral communication and our cleaning the room. We have Christian Bulastic, the reporter. Oh my God, where is Kerwin?
About me.
Sir Estelio really give us a hard task, I mean a difficult task. So, sir, pasarahin tao, mister. Okay, moving on to my boyfriend. Oh my God, the one who gave a flower while catching and doing the interview. And that is our advisor, our instructor. Oh my God, very strict. He's strict. Oh, see the face. Oh, he's strict. Do you get me? Are you sure? Gerald. And this is Gerald, my PA.
Where did you get a table?
Not you, huh?
Where did you get a table?
This is Gerald, my PA. Yes. And this is Kev, my pet. So thank you so much. Hi. Asa na siya? Attendance?
Hello.
Hi! Hi! Thank you so much! Hi guys! Here's Catherine, the one who interviewed. And that is our instructor again, very strict, no? Very strict jud siya. Oh, there. Do you get me?
Yes.
Are you sure? Chismis!
Kape, tuloy ka.
Hoy! Mag-sign ng contract sa kubi. And that is Paybone. Oh, see, ganda ni Paybone pag dim light. And this is Catherine.
Hindi na mo ako gimulpit. Apil-apil ko ang pangalan.
Hala, pariguro.
Apil ko dahil.
Interview ko hawit.
Hi.
Pasok si Mapin.
Ay!
Oh, ako na.
Ang sponsor is not. No! That is Thurston Yore. Very strict. President of Sykes Call Center. So we're going home. Here's Rex. Hi Rex.